So today we're going to be doing a Dolls Kill unboxing. I'm so excited. I haven't received the package yet. I sent my assistant down to get it, but she's taking forever. So we just have to wait for her. Oh my god, here she comes, here she comes. Put it right here, put it right here. I have a package for Jada Rose. It took forever. I took a little peek. You did? But you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Okay, just give it to me, just give it to me. Thank you! Ah! It's here, it's here, it's here! It's like Christmas morning. Thank you, Santa. Let's get unboxing. Holy shit, baby. Let's get this out of there. First, we have da 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 da. What could it be? Oh my goodness. This is the Mood Angels graphic tee. It has this dope Ghost Rider in the front. These colors are so vibrant. And on the sleeves, it has this cool blue pattern matching the front. This electricity is getting me so excited. It's nice and big. I love long sleeves, as you know. Add some edge to our look. I'm all about it. Next we have, what could it be? Oh shit! Oh my goodness. These are the Digital Blaze cargo joggers. They have these sexy straps on the side, ties in the front with these pockets, and this pocket is reflective. Wow, I'm in love. This is the back, and it also has another reflective pocket, gathers at the ankles, and is so soft. I'm in love with sweatpants now. I don't want to wear anything else. Let's try them on. What do we have here? Another box! It's a bonus box! Club X, baby. What do you got for us? Let's see what it is. Any guesses? Is it a pony? Is it a bike? Nope. Better. It's the Magic Solstice platform boots, baby. Look at this beautiful purple. It has a kind of a rainbow effect when you move it around. It has cute pink butterflies on it. There's a chain that connects in the middle and goes down the sides. We have a cute buckle on top and laces up all the way. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. we have, let's see. Oh shit. My type underboob corset. That's what we like to see, baby. These straps have a little bit of a padding with buckles on the top. This is so sexy. Oh my goodness. Here's the front. Here's the back. My type of girl. Let's go. Next, we have, oh my goodness, this is the Flirt Patrol baby tee. It's ribbed with a high neck with a little knot in the front. Look at this, so cute. Short sleeve, white, absolutely love it. And this hole to show you little boobies. Let's try it on. Da-na-na-na. What's next? Da-na-na. Let's see. I'm sorry. I just can't contain my excitement. Yes, baby. This is the Power Distressed graphic tee. It has a dope, colorful dragon on the front, and it also has cute little holes in it to give it that rough look. So sick. Oh, look at that one. Look at that hole. Oh, hi. This is from all my dragon babes. Let's get it on.
I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la.
Let's dive into the next one. Oh, what could it be, Poppy? What could it be? Oh, yes, baby. I've wanted this top forever. I'm in love with it. Call Me Poppy rhinestone tee. It's a cute black tank top with poppy on it. It's nice and like has small rib. It's a nice stretchy material. Call me Poppy, baby. We have one item left. Dun. Oh, baby. We got the Fast Lane Life graphic tee. I love the lettering. It's kind of got like a fire effect. See us come and watch us leave. Let's live. was amazing. I've never been so excited to go out. I have clothes for every occasion. Dolls Kills got me set up. All of the outfit links will be down below, so don't forget to go shopping for your new outfits. Come out of quarantine with a whole new wardrobe. These outfits are killer, but just remember, no outfit is complete without confidence, a big smile on your face, and the energy to take on the world. You got it, baby. Stay amazing and stay dirty, my little devils. I'll see you guys next time.
Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life gold.